So
Yeah.
even that one this morning, where in my Chi Flow group, in my Chi Flow with Joe, I was showing them triple heater 5. So I can show you this now. This is your Wonder Woman point.
Yes.
So you find the crease of your wrist, you use 3 fingers, and you
Mm-hmm.
come down, and it's between the radius and the ulna. So you'll feel there's like a depression between the 2 bones, about
Mm-hmm.
3 fingers down. And that is triple heater 5. And that is what's called your outer gate. So it spreads the yang all around your whole body, helping your whole body get yang, get energized. You know, we have this yin and yang. So it
Mm-hmm.
helps with the yang, with the energy. Now on the inside is the inner gate, and that is the yin point that spreads yin all over the body. So activating them, we just tap. That's it. That's it. That's the